Today we are taking a complete step-by-step look at Mercor AI. As I skim through this interface here on the screen, you can see how clean and straightforward the platform is. Mercor is an AI-powered talent marketplace that is completely changing how hiring works for remote professionals around the world. If you are interested, please see the link in the description below to get access to this tool. The landscape of remote work has shifted dramatically over the last few years. Previously, the only options were to send hundreds of resumes into a black hole on traditional job boards, or to fight in grueling bidding wars on freelance platforms where the lowest price usually wins. Mercor AI was built to solve exactly this problem. Instead of relying on manual recruiters or race-to-the-bottom pricing, this platform uses advanced artificial intelligence to match your specific skills, experiences, and interview performance directly with companies that need your exact profile. So, what exactly is this website about, and who is it made for? At its core, Mercor is a global talent network designed for skilled knowledge workers who are looking for remote, long-term, or recurring engagements. When the platform first launched, it was heavily focused on technology sectors, specifically software engineering, machine learning, and data science. However, if you look at the screen right now, you will notice it has expanded significantly. Today, Mercor caters to a massive variety of roles. You can find opportunities in AI model training, B2B sales, operations, molecular biology, legal analysis, and executive administration. Why should you prefer Mercor AI over traditional freelance marketplaces or job boards? The primary reason is the absolute elimination of friction. There is no proposal writing. There is no negotiating rates with difficult clients. There is no bidding system. You simply build a robust profile, complete an AI-led interview, and let the algorithm do the heavy lifting. Furthermore, all contracting, compliance, and payments are handled securely within this very dashboard, removing the administrative burden that usually falls on the remote worker. It is an incredibly accessible way to connect with top-tier global companies and start working seamlessly. Let's dive right into the platform. Getting started is incredibly simple, and I want to address one of the most common questions people ask right here. Is this really free to use? The answer is yes, absolutely. Mercor does not charge job seekers, freelancers, or contractors to use their platform. You will never hit a paywall, and there are no premium candidate tiers or subscription fees you need to buy to unlock better features. The reason they can offer this is because of their business model. Mercor acts similarly to a traditional recruitment agency by charging a fee to the companies that are hiring. The financial burden is entirely on the employer. This means everything we are covering today, from building your profile to taking the AI interviews and utilizing the platform's tools, is fully accessible to you at absolutely zero cost. To create your account, you use a passwordless email verification, meaning they send a secure link to your inbox, or you can use a single-click Google sign-in. Once you authenticate and log in, you are greeted by the main user dashboard. Notice how the left-hand sidebar is organized. You have your profile, your interview tab, your contracts, and your earnings. This clean, modular layout is designed to keep you focused on what matters. Right now, we are going to focus entirely on the profile section. This is not just a digital resume. This is the data source that feeds the semantic matching algorithm. The AI uses natural language processing to read what you input here and matches it against the complex queries inputted by hiring companies. If your profile is sparse, the algorithm simply cannot match you. This brings us to a critical step, and I want to spend a good amount of time here giving you some specific design tips and tricks for building your profile. When you upload your resume, Mercor will attempt to auto-populate these fields. Do not just accept the auto-population and move on. You must review every single section. First, let's look at the Skills and Tech Stack section. The AI does not infer your skills, it reads them. If you are a digital marketer, do not just write marketing. Write SEO, Google Ads, A/B testing, HubSpot, conversion rate optimization. If you are a developer, list out every language and framework you are proficient in. Next, let's move down to the work experience section. This is where most people make a critical mistake. They write their job duties. The AI is looking for outcomes and quantifiable metrics. Instead of saying, managed customer service team, you should write, managed a 15-person customer service team, reducing ticket resolution time by 30% over 6 months using Zendesk. Here is a major profile design trick. Think about the exact search terms a company would use to find you and organically weave those keywords into your experience descriptions. The AI matches the semantic meaning of your text with the employer's needs. Finally, ensure your location, city, and country are accurate. Many companies hire based on specific time zones for synchronous work. Also, make sure to link your LinkedIn profile, GitHub, or personal portfolio directly in the provided fields. A complete, highly detailed, densely keyword-rich profile gets displayed more frequently and is reviewed much faster by the matching algorithm. Take your time here. This step is the foundation of your success on the platform. Once your profile is meticulously built, the next major stage is the AI video interview. This is where Mercor truly separates itself from any other platform on the internet. Instead of waiting weeks to coordinate a time for a quick 15-minute screening call with a human recruiter, you complete a dynamic, role-specific interview right here on the platform, available 24/7. Before you click start, let's talk about preparation. You must treat this exactly like a high-stakes human interview. First, check your environment. Make sure you are in a quiet, well-lit room. Your face should be clearly visible without heavy backlighting. Second, and arguably more importantly, check your microphone. The AI is transcribing your spoken words into text in real time to analyze your answers. If your audio is muffled, echoing, or filled with background noise, the AI will fail to transcribe your brilliant answer, and your score will suffer. Use a dedicated headset or a high-quality external microphone if possible. Run the audio test on the screen multiple times until you are satisfied with the playback quality. When you begin, the platform analyzes your resume and the specific job domain you are targeting, generating customized conversational prompts just for you. The interview generally takes about 20 minutes. A critical trick for success during the interview: structure is everything. When the AI asks you a behavioral or experience-based question, you must use the STAR method. That stands for situation, task, action, and result. For example, if the AI asks about a time you solved a complex problem, do not give a vague, overarching answer. Start with the situation. Set the scene. Describe the task you were responsible for. Detail the specific actions you took to solve the issue. And finally, conclude with the result, heavily featuring data and metrics, just like we discussed in the profile section. Speak clearly, at a moderate pace. Do not rush. The AI gives you time to answer, so articulate your words. It is evaluating text and audio signals for clarity, concrete evidence, and alignment with role keywords. Now, what happens if you stumble, lose your train of thought, or just feel like you didn't do your absolute best? Since the platform is built to empower candidates, they actually allow you to retake the interview up to 3 times. Do not be afraid to use this to your advantage. If your first attempt felt rough, take a breath, review your notes, and use your second attempt to refine your delivery. Tighten up your STAR responses, and ensure your audio was crystal clear. After you complete your final interview attempt, your profile and interview data enter the talent pool. This is where patience is required. The algorithm is constantly scanning the pool against incoming company requests. You do not need to apply for jobs. The jobs will come to you when a match is found. When you successfully match with a company and accept an offer, you will manage your entire working relationship from this Contracts tab. As you can see on the screen, this interface is highly organized. When you click into your active contract, you will find your comprehensive onboarding document right below the contract details. This document is essentially your blueprint for day one. It includes your specific project instructions, escalation contacts if you run into technical issues, and direct links to the required workspaces you will be using, whether that is Slack, Notion, Jira, or Airtable. You will also find instructions here on how to set up your dedicated Mercor expert email credentials. This centralized workflow is brilliant because everything from communication tools to project guidelines is stored in one intuitive dashboard. You never have to dig through your personal emails to find secure project links or onboarding PDFs. Finally, let's talk about the operational side. How you track your work, and, most importantly, how you get paid. Mercor primarily utilizes an hourly pay model with reliable weekly payouts. This provides a tremendous amount of financial stability compared to the unpredictable nature of project-based gig work. To track your time, the platform will prompt you to download and set up a secure desktop application called Insightful. This software links directly to your Mercor account. An important workflow tip regarding time tracking: the system is designed to be straightforward. You simply press play on the desktop tracker when you commence work, and you press stop when you take a break or finish for the day. It is crucial that you only log time while actively working on assigned tasks, attending client meetings, or completing mandatory onboarding and training. Back in the Mercor dashboard, under the Earnings tab, you get a highly transparent, real-time view of your tracked hours. You can see exactly what has been logged, what is pending approval, and your upcoming payment schedule. Because Mercor handles the financial compliance, these payments are processed reliably on a weekly basis, effectively bypassing the frustrating net 30 or net 60-day waiting periods that plague traditional freelance contracts. Before we wrap up, there is one more section you should know about, and that is the referrals dashboard. If you click the icon with the person and the plus sign on the left sidebar, you will land exactly here. Because Mercor is a rapidly growing talent network, they reward you for bringing other highly skilled professionals onto the platform. By clicking the Share button right here in the middle of the screen, you can generate a unique referral link to send to your network. What makes this dashboard so useful is the complete transparency it offers. You can track exactly where your referrals are in the pipeline, from the moment they sign up, through their application progress, all the way to when they get an offer, get hired, and you finally get paid. It is a fantastic, straightforward way to generate some extra passive income simply by inviting peers or former colleagues who would also benefit from Mercor's AI matching system. To summarize, Mercor AI represents a massive leap forward for remote knowledge workers. By utilizing semantic matching and automated AI interviews, the platform allows you to bypass the traditional resume black hole without ever asking you to pay for access or premium features. It puts your actual skills and communication abilities directly in front of global companies that are actively looking for exactly what you offer. Remember the key takeaways from today. Take your time to build a metric-driven, keyword-rich profile. Ensure your tech stack and skills are explicitly listed. Treat the AI video assessment with the exact same respect and preparation as a human interview, utilizing the STAR method for your answers. And finally, take full advantage of the free interview retakes to present the absolute best version of your professional self. If you are a skilled professional looking for stable, skill-based opportunities without the hassle of pitching and bidding, this is the platform for you. If you are interested, please see the link in the description below to get access to this tool. Take the time to set up your profile properly today, follow the steps we outlined in this video, and start exploring the global opportunities available to you.